Most businesses have a hard time keeping track of their finances. There are thousands of small businesses that lose track of their finances and don't even realize it. After a while, they lose track of their day-to-day finances and end up in a difficult situation. Bookkeeping is a tough skill to master, but it's an important one to learn too. This video will look at some of the horrible consequences of small business bookkeeping slacking off. You suffer cash flow problems. Cash flow is one of the most important metrics in any business. If you don't have sufficient cash flow, then that means you won't be able to pay your suppliers before they pay you. They in turn will see this as a sign that you are not able to do business with them, so they might cancel your orders or not extend any credit to you. You can't strategize. A business can't grow if you don't have an accurate way of reporting back on its financial health. This makes bookkeeping and accounting one of the most important aspects of running a business. Unfortunately, most of us consider bookkeeping and accounting a necessary hassle, something that we can put off until later. However, this attitude is not going to get you anywhere. If you want to run a successful business, you need to make sure that you have the tools that you need to strategize. You miss tax deadlines. Is tax season the most dreaded time of the year? We often leave it too late to do our tax returns, so we have to rush. And we often miss deadlines, and that's because we hate doing our bookkeeping. We leave it too late and let things pile up. Then we rush and make mistakes. Your expenses go out of control. No matter which business you run, you need to know where your money is going to. If bookkeeping is a chore, and you have not been keeping track of your expenses, you might run in the red. You have invoicing mistakes, and you might not even know it. This is a harsh reality, but in the fast-paced business world, mistakes are going to happen if your bookkeeping slacks off. And we're not talking about minor mistakes. We're talking about whoops, I just invoiced the wrong client mistakes. You're at high risk for internal fraud. A recent report shows that more than 50% of businesses have experienced internal fraud. That's alarming, considering that the typical cost of an internal fraud incident amounts to hundreds of thousands of dollars. Most of the accounts payable fraud on record is the result of a poorly organized accounting team and bookkeeping procedures. You don't know your costs, so you can't optimize pricing. If you can't justify your prices and you're always chasing volume deals, you're probably not getting the best value for your time. You should be negotiating win-win deals on price, not win-lose deals. Bad bookkeeping is going to seriously hamstring your efforts. You can't improve your workplace culture. With so many elements to running a business, it can be difficult to find time to manage your finances. With so many aspects to running a business, you need to make sure that you do keep track of your finances with the help of a certified bookkeeper, or else you will not be able to improve your workplace culture or your profits. You incur unnecessary expenses. As a business owner, your most valuable asset is your data. But if your data is being lost, misplaced, or severely out of date, your business will suffer. It will be difficult for you to make the best decisions for your company if you don't have your complete data at hand, and chances are you will incur unnecessary expenses. Everyone knows how important it is to have good bookkeeping services, but not everyone knows how to go about bookkeeping. Finding the right bookkeeping solutions for your needs is crucial. Whether you are a small business or a large corporation, the right bookkeeping solutions can improve the overall health of your finances.